Reyna Villamor, pasok.
Ako ba talaga ang Wonder Woman dito? O sige, sabi mo yan, Sebo. Anyway, balitaan ko muna kayo dito kay Pinok Cassini. Ano ba talaga ang nangyari sa kanya? Na ospital siya dahil natamaan ang kanyang right thumb ng bola sa kanilang pag-iensayo, which led to a right sprained thumb. Kung titingnan nyo ng malapitan, medyo swollen at medyo purple ang kulay ng kanyang thumb ngayon. But despite the pain, she just opted to tape it and to play in this crucial match. Now, with regards to the Lady Troopers naman, they promised to gas up in today's game. What went wrong in that last game? Wala silang aggressiveness at madaming drop ball ang hindi nila nakuha during that game. Now, thanks for today. Sinabihan lang ni Coach Rico na kailangan mag-step up dito si Tina Salak. She needs to be a leader in this game. And for their libero, Angela Nunag, to show feistiness. Kasi nga sabi ni Coach Rico dito kay Nunag, masyado siyang tahimik at dapat siya ang nagdadala ng laro dito. Furthermore, if Patricia Torres won't be seeing action today due to a right ACL tear as she is scheduled for an ACL reconstruction sometime November. Sev?
Why does it sound so scientific when Reyna says it? Ano? When I say reconstruction, it sounds like a building is being constructed. Pag si Reyna, exact. Thank you, Reyna. Yung pala nangyari sa kamay ni Cassini, ano?
Oo.
Purple.
And you know, that will affect her game kasi
Oo naman.
yung pain, di ba? Blocking it will be constantly targeted.
Tinaas ang bola, ginawa ng paraan. Chance. Bunag. Naiinis si Cassini. She's blaming the hand right now. Masakit yun, hindi ko na-stop, sabi niya.
Oh, if it's purple, no, parang fresh na fresh pa yung injury na yun.
Saka mukhang namamaga nga. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Pero you know, alam naman natin si Cassini, kahit masakit yan, magbo-block pa rin
So,
yan.
ano yung natural tendency, laro niya yun eh. De Leon, winalis, walis. Cassini was the best scorer for Smart in the first game with 23. It was Balse who had 15 on the other side. One-hander, sinuntok. Tataas ni Tina Salak. Bunag! Tusok!
Wow! You know, Tina Salak has been going to Bunag and she has been delivering sa larong ito.
Nabanggit nga ni Reyna Villamor kanina, ang instructions is for Bunag to be a little more aggressive, slapping that Mikasa ball, our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. Ang bilang po natin, 11-4. Si Balse ang ating nasa spotlight.
Oh, nice serve.
Diagonal na diagonal.
Oo.
Cross-court kumbaga. Tinaas. Oh, blockers couldn't do anything about that. De Leon with a reverse set. Ang hilig maghulog ng Smart today. Bunag, tinaas ni Gohing. De Leon resetting. Alaysa, labas.
Oh.
Ilag.
Net violation called on Tina Salak. Pero you know, tama si Coach Roger, di ba we were saying it lahat tayo ang pagkaalam natin sa Team Smart, talagang they will come out strong eh. So di ba Coach Roger was pinpointing that sa huddle. Kailangan ready ang Smart Maynila.
Marang malamya. Huwag niyong paumpisahan sila sa Valdez ng magagandang serve niyan. Mayroon tayong kinover na laro. Sunod-sunod ang pinundar niyan. Mga 5 serve yata yun.
Oo. No, what's nice about Valdez, she may have an off day in terms of spiking, pero may service, may
Other
blocking.
things, which is just a sign of a very smart player. And in the meantime, there's a clear roof on that spike.
No, but you know, I was talking to some people about prior to today's match. Everybody, diba, you have your own set of fans, you know, Smart Maynila, Cagayan. But you know, a lot of people, they're saying, ang Army, local yan eh. Kaya local vet natin yan, walang import eh.
Okay,
diba?
that's also a good way of looking at it. And Army is looking like they're living up to that fan following. They're ahead. Dito sa ating first set, 14-6.
Well, here in this match, Smart has already committed 5 unforced errors.
In the meantime, this shot is outside.
Good serve.
De Leon. Hinanapan ng paraan ni Cotruang.
Pinektos at the last moment.
Lumabas yung basketball, yung orientation mo, no? Pektos eh.
Pektos. Tingnan mo, look at this. Last minute. No look pektos.
No look pektos eh, no? Parang no look pass eh, no? Tina Salak, no look ka dyan.
No look din.
No look din ito. 16-7, nauna na naman ng Army sa technical timeout.